go!
What's up guys, Phil here today with another video, and in today's video I'll be unboxing this little package. It's a rain package. I upgraded my deal, so yeah, I saw on the website that they have a new deal for 500 Rand, which is 20 Rand more than what I was previously paying. So it really wasn't too much of a big deal. Faster speeds this time. My previous deal, the speeds were horrendous, absolutely atrocious. Downloads took forever. So to clarify, the previous deal was just a SIM card that you could pop into any router or your phone and you could use it like that, but the speeds were terrible. It was like up to like 10 megabits. This one goes up to like 25 to 30 megabits. So yeah, it comes with its own router, so that's why I have this here for a size comparison. So I think I cut that pretty badly. And almost done here. Yeah. So just take this thing out. Here's the little box, and here's how the router looks. It is a ZTE router. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna open it over here. Yeah, here we go. So we now have the box open. Just again, there's the router. Okay, so here we have it. This thing looks a lot bigger. Most likely a bit taller. And I ripped that there for no reason. So here it is. Looks pretty nice. So you have your Ethernet ports there, your phone jack there, and I guess that is your power in, and this is probably to switch it on. Over here on the bottom we got some ports. Looks like this is where you put your SIM card, and that looks like a USB Type-C port, I'm not too sure. Then here on the front you got your signal status, your power, your Wi-Fi, and your network. But overall, it looks very good. Let me put this here. We got the rest of the box to actually open. So, power cord, and then you got your SIM card that you're gonna put in there at the bottom. You're gonna take this out. Take the SIM card out, and yeah, let's see what's left in the box. Oh, they include an Ethernet cable. How kind of them. Very short Ethernet cable, but at least they include one. So I've just finished setting this thing up. It wasn't that hard. Most of you guys know how Wi-Fi routers go. I also have this one here as a size comparison. This one is taller, but it's far less wide than this Huawei router that I use. This Huawei router is mine. I just put the Rain SIM card in here. The 5G Rain SIM card is in here, and the speeds. Right now I'm just gonna do another test. I'm not sure if it's gonna be visible there. So as you can see, the speeds are going up. It starts off super fast, and then it goes back down to like, what is it at? 30 megabits, so that's the sweet spot between 20 to 30 megabits. Now it's doing upload. I think I'll just go into the settings of the router just to configure that, but it goes up to like, when I tested it a few moments ago, the upload speed went up to like 15, almost 20, so that's not too bad. But when I do a speed check on my old router, and you can see the speeds are not that great. that was upload speeds, I wouldn't blame you. Yeah, and sometimes upload speed. Okay, usually upload speeds are better. I don't know why it's showing 0.0 megabits. Maybe that's because I'm not in the best room in this house of mine. But yeah, that's about it. So this deal, this SIM card deal, as I explained earlier, this was 480 Rand. I have done a video on this Rain deal previously. This one is just 20 Rand more. You get this router, you get the SIM card, and you get much faster speeds, which is pretty good. I recently bought Red Dead Redemption 2 on my PS4. I need to download it. I've been waiting for this thing to arrive, which has been like 2 days, and I'm just gonna download it. Hopefully it's gonna be much quicker. Hopefully I don't have to wait a day, because that game's like 100 gigs. So yeah, I'll have a long-term review on this thing in the next couple weeks or months on the usage and stuff like that. I'm hoping that seeing about the download speeds, it is much better. I was watching YouTube here a few minutes ago, and I could actually scale up to 1440p. Like that was amazing. That's great. That's great. I want that. I've been watching videos of 480p or whatever this can support. So I'm gonna cancel this deal. They're gonna come and fetch some card, and I'll just carry on using this. Man, this is my router, so I'll keep it. I'll put something. I'll use it for something else, of course. But yeah. Well, before I end off this video, I put my router in my living room. I did a speed check in this room, which is the furthest from the living room. I was still getting 30 megabits, and the upload speeds also skyrocketed. I think they went to like 30, 20, 30, 40. I don't remember. A picture will pop up somewhere around here. And I put Red Dead Redemption 2 on download. The game was 110 gigs. Saying it'll download in 12 hours. It may not seem that fast, but on previous Rain that I was using, that probably would have taken 2 days or almost 3 days easily. So I am satisfied, and it downloaded a gig in like 2, 3, 4 minutes. So yeah, that is pretty good. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for sticking till the end, and peace.